Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online coaching. Myself, Chirag Joshi. Dear students, today we are going to end of this chapter. We are on the example 12.1. This is our 14th lecture. Dear students, 100 joule of heat. 100 joule of heat means this is H. H equals to 100 joule. Are produced each second means time equals to 1 second in 4 ohm resistance means R equals to 4 ohm. Find the potential difference. Find the potential difference means V find करना है of the resistance. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे पास क्या है? H है, T है, R है. We are having H, T, R and we have to find out V. Okay. So, one formula we were knowing. That formula was H equals to I square RT. One formula we were knowing. That formula was H equals to I square RT. You are knowing I equals to V by R. I equals to what? V by R. So H equals to V square by R square into R into T. So please pay attention. 1 R deducted. 1 R is deducted. So the last step is H equals to V square divided by R into T. Divided by R into T. H, that is 100, equals to V square. R, that is 4, time is 1. 4 into 100, that is 400, equals to V square. Under root 400 equals to V. So 20 volt equals to V. Dear students, I think you are able to understand this thing. In the textbook, they have first find out I, then they have used the value of I in the formula V equals to IR. I have directly utilized my mind and I have make another formula and directly I have found out V. You can also do the same thing. Okay, now we are on the last topic of this chapter, that is electric power. Power तो हम पहले से ही पढ़ चुके हैं. What is power that you are knowing? Power equals to work upon time. Okay, now rate of doing work is power. Rate of doing work is power. And you are knowing this according to work energy theory. W equals to energy. It means power equals to energy by time. Power equals to energy by time. मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक प्रूफ दे रहा हूँ, देख लीजिए. Volt is a different thing. Volt is a unit of voltage and watt is a unit of power. So this is watt. Energy, टाइम जो है उसका यूनिट सेकंड है, लेकिन हम अभी ले रहे हैं आवर. अगर आवर वॉट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाए तो वो बन जाएगा वॉट आवर. क्या बन जाएगा? वॉट आवर. सो वॉट आवर इज द यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी. वॉट आवर किसका यूनिट है? एनर्जी का. एनर्जी इक्वल्स टू के डब्ल्यू एच. इसको हम बोलेंगे किलो वॉट आवर. एनर्जी को हम बोल सकते हैं एम डब्ल्यू एच, मेगा वॉट आवर. एनर्जी को हम बोल सकते हैं GWH, गीगावाट आवर। हमारे घर पे जो हम एनर्जी कंज्यूम करते हैं उसका यूनिट होता है यूनिट, उसको हम बोलते हैं यूनिट। अगर आप अपने मीटर में देखिए, जहाँ पे ब्लू स्क्रीन है डिस्प्ले में, वहाँ पे लिखा होगा KWH। 1 KWH इक्वल्स टू 1 यूनिट। याद रखिएगा, 1 KWH इक्वल्स टू 1 यूनिट and 1 kWh equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. This is also very important one. मैंने यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है 1 kWh equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule and this is also known as 1 unit. आपको अगर यूनिट में जाना है तो आपको 3.6 इंटू 10 रेस टू 6 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। आपका आंसर जूल में है और आपको यूनिट में जाना है तो डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, ओके। सो द लास्ट वन, दैट इज एग्जाम्पल 12.12. टोटल एग्जाम्पल्स आर 12.13. An electric bulb is connected to 220 watt. 220 watt. So this is V. The current is I, 0.5 ampere. What is the power? A silly question for you. P equals to IV or P equals to VI. Okay, I जो है वो है 0.5 इंटू वी, दैट इज़ 220। हम एक काम करेंगे, पॉइंट निकाल देंगे तो 5/10 आ जाएगा। 22000 हो गया कट। 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 2s are 10 and carry 1 was there, so it is 11. so ये आ गया आंसर। पावर इक्वल्स टू 110 watt. Okay. Dear students, I hope you are able to understand this concept. If you are having any doubt, please ask me. Thanks for watching this video. Dear students, now exercise sums you have to calculate. Start calculating the sums of exercise. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.